Hola, buenos dias a todos. Hello, good morning to everyone. This is Julio, your Spanish teacher for the Spanish language conversational course. Today, we're going to talk about create basic sentences or creating basic sentences. And I'm sure for the past lessons or parts we've discussed, you already know how to create basic sentences. But here on this part, will help you solidify and master the essential strategies and ways to be effective on your conversation in basic Spanish. And tips in making sentences and learning the best way. First, simplify the language and apply all things you have learned from this course. And then, make a list of useful words that you encounter in a daily basis, including verbs, and use it in a sentence. Remember, in Spanish, verbs are the heart of this language. So, learning lots of verbs, knowing the difference of irregular and regular, and how to conjugate it, using it accurately in a sentence is a boost on your proficiency. So never forget that. Also, learn phrases, not just words. Okay, you must always learn phrases so you just can connect phrases plus phrases, not just words. And then a useful plug-in phrases where you can use in variety of ways. Don't try to learn many ways to say something as a beginner. Okay? You need to familiarize, but don't try to learn a lot of ways to say something. For example, asking someone's name. So in Spanish, you can say, ¿Cuál es su nombre? Or ¿Cómo te llamas? Or ¿Cuál es tu nombre? And other ways. So don't try to learn everything. You need to familiarize, but don't try to really learn everything. Just focus on one generally accepted and understandable ways to say something as you're just beginner. And gradually, you'll learn other phrases that you'll encounter as you progress. And we also provided here common Spanish verbs that we must also acquire before this course ends. We have abrer, amar, acabar, aceptar, andar, aprender, ayudar, bailar, beber, buscar, caer, cambiar, caminar, cantar, comer, comprar. Entonces, conducir, conocer, contar, contestar, correr, cortar, creer, dar, decir, dejar, desear, dibujar, doler, dormir, empezar. Entonces, encontrar, enseñar, escuchar, esperar, estar, estar. This is the to be that is used in a temporary state most of the time. We also have estudiar, estudiar, explicar, explicar, guardar, guardar, gustar, gustar, haber, haber, hablar, hablar, hacer, hacer, ir, ir, jugar, jugar, lavar, lavar, leer, leer. Entonces, limpiar, limpiar, llamar, llamar, llegar, llegar, llenar, llenar, llevar, llevar, llorar, llorar, manejar, manejar, mirar, mirar, mostrar, mostrar, necesitar, necesitar, oír, oír, olvidar, olvidar, pagar, pagar, pasar, pasar, pedir, pedir, peinar, peinar. Entonces, pensar, pensar, perder, perder, poder, poder, poner, poner, preguntar, preguntar, prestar, prestar, quedarse, quedarse, querer, querer. By the way, quedarse, this is a reflexive verb because we can see the ending is se. Okay, usually verb that ends with se is a reflexive verb. Okay, so that's quedarse. Then querer, I already know that. Romper, romper, saber, saber, sacar, sacar, salir, salir, seguir, seguir, sentirse, sentirse, ser, ser. And this is the to be in Espanol that is used in a permanent state most of the time. Also, we have soñar, soñar, tener, tener, terminar, terminar, tocar, tocar, tomar, tomar, trabajar, trabajar, trajir, trajir, usar, usar, valer, valer, vendir, vendir, venir, venir, ver, ver, vestir, vestir, viajar, viajar, vivir, vivir, volar, volar, volver, volver. Okay, so that's all. And as we continue regarding the useful plug-in phrases, we can use donde está for singular or donde están, then plus any nouns you want to ask. And we have antes de or después de plus any kind of infinitives. That's before or after plus infinitives. And we also have cuál es so, what is your. You can ask nombre, precio, or any kind of nouns that you want to ask. We also have en cuanto a. This is a sentence starter, like in regards to, or a while ago, then state what you want to say. Hace un tiempo, then what you've said or what you did in Espanol. Then when requesting something, instead of using complex sentences, just say, for example, you're in a restaurant and you want to order pizza and juice. So instead of using a difficult kind of sentence, you can just say, me gustaría, then the thing that you want to order, then por favor, to make it more polite at the end. So let's try to use it. Me gustaría pizza jugo, or let's put a article there. Mi gustaría una pizza e un jugo, por favor. In English, it's I would like a pizza and a juice, please. So it's easy and understandable. And the same thing with here. I would like a coffee, please. Me gustaría café, por favor. Then, estoy planeando plus infinitive plus time. Estoy planeando estudiar el idioma español hoy. And voy a plus infinitive or place plus time. Voy a la playa mañana o voy a leer hoy. Then we have fue a place plus time. Fue a México ayer. And we also have necesito plus infinitive plus noun. Necesito tomar mi medicamento hoy. Okay, I already provided the English translation there or reference, so I don't need to say the English part, okay? And let's use it in a sentence. Where's the bus terminal? ¿Dónde está la terminal de autobús? ¿Dónde está la terminal de autobús? Where's the restaurant? ¿Dónde está la restaurante? ¿Dónde está la restaurante? Where is the manager? ¿Dónde está la manejador or el manejador? ¿Dónde está el manejador? Where is the police? ¿Dónde está la policía? ¿Dónde está la policía? Where is the airport? ¿Dónde está el aeropuerto? Again, another wrong spelling here in aeropuerto. It must be E on aero, not I. So, pardon me again for that. ¿Dónde está el aeropuerto? And where is the bank? ¿Dónde está el banco? And also the K here is not actually K, but it's a C. Okay? Sorry for the wrong letters. And we have another examples for antes or después de plus infinitives. Antes de preparar, me gustaría verificar primero la información. Antes de preparar, me gustaría verificar primero la información. That's before preparing, I would like to verify first the information. Another example, after organizing, do you like to confirm the reservation? Después de organizar, ¿te gustaría confirmar la reservación? Después de organizar, ¿te gustaría confirmar la reservación? In regards with that, what is the number so I can call? En cuanto con eso, ¿cuál es el número a se puedo llamar? En cuanto con eso, ¿cuál es el número a se puedo llamar? Okay? Entonces, examples of cuál es so plus any nouns. What is your name? ¿Cuál es su nombre? What is your number? ¿Cuál es su número? What is your email? ¿Cuál es su correo electrónico? What is your job? ¿Cuál es su trabajo? What is your situation? ¿Cuál es su situación? What is the price? ¿Cuál es el precio? Okay, so very useful phrase. And another one, examples for en cuanto a and me gustaría por favor. Good day, sir and ma'am. What do you want to order for food? Buen día, señor y señora. ¿Qué quieres pedir de comida? Buen día, señor y señora. ¿Qué quieres pedir de comida? Then, in regards to that, I would like chicken and juice, please. En cuanto con eso, me gustaría un pollo e jugo, por favor. En cuanto con eso, me gustaría un pollo e jugo, por favor. Dear, would you also like fries and coffee? Querido, ¿también te gustaría patatas fritas y café? Querido, ¿también te gustaría patatas fritas y café? So that's all. I hope you adapt or try to use this useful plug-in phrases right now so it can be kept on your long-term language memory. And as for our activities and homework, this will be the last activities and homework that we'll be doing. So put all your effort, heart, and time on this. Write any idea, message, reflection, or insights on something you're interested in using Spanish language. 100 to 200 words is enough. So here, you can make anything that interests you. Just use the Spanish language to convey it. And do not use any translation app, AI, or any sources from internet. Do it from your own booklet and knowledge alone. This is another way you gauge your own proficiency. Okay, and also make a video recording yourself speaking the message or essay that you have created in Espanol and present yourself in Spanish. It means, aside from this, make also a self-introduction or presentation of yourself, 3 to 5 paragraphs in Espanol. So record all of that as a way for fair practice. So that's all. Muchas gracias. Nos vemos. Adiós.